Welcome to Mod Master. In 60 seconds I'll show the OpenIV fix for GTA 5 Enhanced. First, back up your game folder and your save files before making any changes. Download OpenIV from open4.com and run the installer you just saved. Launch OpenIV, select Windows, and point it to your GTA 5 installation folder. Enable Edit Mode at the top, then open Tools and choose ASI Manager. Copy the fix files into update /x64 /delete or into your mods folder. If prompted, overwrite files and confirm replacements to apply the fix. Enable the required ASI and plugin entries in ASI Manager, then restart OpenIV. Now show a quick before screenshot with default lighting, then the after with the enhanced fix. Test in-game by launching GTA 5 and verifying stability and texture behavior. If you hit issues, restore your backup and consult the mod README or support thread. That's it. Subscribe to Mod Master for more quick mod guides. Thanks for watching.